All right, welcome back, my dear student. So in this lecture here, what we're going to be creating is a little functionality where uh, we have a little bug here and we need to fix it, right? When we delete a file, we see, let's say for example, let me just show you. We add a file right here, and we call this Bootstrap. That's the framework we're using, of course. Enter, and we see that we added a file. If I try to delete this file and I say cancel, we still have this message here. So what we need to do is that when we activate the JavaScript here, we need to reload the page via JavaScript. All right. And then what we also need to do is add a title up here, so that way we know, what is each of these thumbnails, right? What are they? That's why we have the slide title here, so that way we can see which are they, right? So anyway, here, this is the function scripts.js, and what we need to do is we need to create this functionality. I'm trying to remember this JavaScript. It's called location.reload, I believe. I don't use it much. So this will do the reloading for us. That's all we got to do here. So if we click this one and we say cancel, actually we have to refresh the page, make sure that we got some stuff there going on. Test, submit. Now if I try to do this and cancel, it refreshes the page and that message is not there anymore. Beautiful, right? So let's put the title here on the thumbnails. Let's go to that functions, that function in function.php, that function get slide thumbnails. And here, what we can do inside this, we can put a caption, I believe, down here. I believe if we put a div with a caption, we can write something down here, and we can put a p tag. Hopefully this comes out right, because we are inside PHP also. So let's take out the title and just put it right here. Slide score title. Let's see how this displays right now. I saved it, by the way. Enter. All right, so it actually plays out to be really cool, right? I mean, it's cool right here. We have the title and it's displaying nicely. All right, so that's all we got to do, and let's just try our function now. That's nice, right? Everything is working according to plan. All right, let's actually style this button a little bit here just to make it a little bit better, right? So let's go to that slides.php, and I told you we were doing a couple things on this one, so I'm a man of my word. All right, let's actually put a class here. I like to put classes in the beginning. Class, let's do btn primary. I love that because it makes our buttons look nice. Enter. Look at that. A lot nicer than what it was before, right? Beautiful. All right, so I think we're done with making these little cosmetic changes here, right? So anyway, thank you so much for watching this lecture here, and I hope you keep enjoying it. If you go to homepage, you can see that you're gonna have your slides there. All right. So I hope you keep enjoying this, and this is just because we don't have that anymore. All right, so this is a product. Let's go to admin and see that the product for some reason doesn't have an image, or I deleted it or something. So let's just make sure that it's there. Update. There we go. All right, so if you have any questions, please feel free to message me anytime. I'm really busy all the time, but I always answer every message there, even if it takes me 1 or 2 days to get through. But most of the time I answer a lot faster than that. So, and you guys know that. Again, thank you. It's been a pleasure, and I'll see you in the next extra features. Take care.